Our custom wallpapers are a super easy way to add some dimension and life to your drab walls. That's right, wallpaper that's easy to install and looks great. That's a thing. As with all of our products, it all begins with our website, where we've got tons of wallpapers designed exclusively for us for you to browse through. And if you don't see anything you like, just shoot us an email and we'll figure something out. See? Easy. Once you've selected your wallpaper, you'll want to measure your walls. We'll need to know how tall your ceilings are and the total length of your walls. We don't need to know about doors or light switches or corners because you'll cut those out later. Once you've measured, and maybe double-checked your measuring, enter those numbers into the cart, click Submit, and away we go. It usually takes about 10 days standard shipping to arrive at your door. When it gets there, you'll find the following items enclosed with your custom wallpaper: a tube of your wallpapers all rolled up, and a squeegee. You'll need to pull these items from your own toolbox: scissors, tape measurer, a damp cleaning rag, razor blade, straight edge, and painter's tape. Now that you've got everything together, it might be a good idea to go ahead and secure an extra set of hands. This is a two-person job. First, you want to be sure that the wall is free of any tape or other sticky items. Good, smooth walls is what we're after here. While you are cleaning, it's best to unroll the panels and lay flat to decrease the curl. This will make installation easier. Now, mark straight horizontal and vertical lines on your wall to line up your first panel. You'll also notice that the back of these panels are sticky. It's sticky enough to hold for as long as you need it to, but it's still easy to adjust as you're hanging it up. This means once you put it on the wall, you can still move it around a bit so that it's easier to line up. Carry your first panel over to your wall. Peel back the liner paper a few inches, smoothing the upper portion against the wall. Be sure that it is straight with your line. Do not peel the entire liner paper all at once or you will have a mess on your hands. Give the top portion of the panel a couple of strokes at the ceiling to force it flat against the wall. You can leave up to 1 inch of an overage for trimming along the ceiling, or butt the seam up to the ceiling and trim the bottom later. Slowly pull the release liner on the back of the print down as you smooth the decal to the wall. The closer you keep the decal to the wall while pulling the release liner off, the less bubble you incur in the process. Using the smoothing tool that we have included for you, carefully smooth out all wrinkles and bubbles. Do not use pressure, just simply light strokes outward. If wrinkles or bubbles keep appearing, simply peel back the panel and reapply. A good way to smooth is to start from the center and smooth outwards towards the edges. This helps the air bubbles escape. Next, take a look at those panels. We gave you 2 inches of overlap on the sides to make lining them up easier, and this way you can avoid unsightly seams. So you're going to take your second panel and overlap it on the first panel by about 2 inches, matching up the image. Place tape along the left edge every 18 inches or so to match up your pattern. You can remove the tape as you move down the panel, adhering it to the wall. As you're installing, you want to continue to smooth out any bubbles so you are matching your panels accurately. If the wallpaper is larger than the wall space, or if you have doors and light fixtures to cut out, simply cut along the corners or edges of the wall using a sharp razor blade and straight edge as a guide. Make long cuts without lifting the blade. Now keep applying the rest of the panels in the same way until you're all done. Look at you go! You've got a whole new room thanks to custom wallpapers from Dynamite Decals. Now all you need is to kick back, relax, and enjoy the view.